You think you want a banana? You want to try a banana? Wow. Wow, you into... Oh my goodness, you actually like this banana, huh? Oh my goodness, Kelly. Are you a vegetarian? Oh. Like, seriously, you like fruits and veggies, huh? I guess it's good. It's potassium. Good girl. I mean, I guess I could just give you these kind of treats. Little pieces of banana. Forget the little meatballs, huh? I'm gonna be a good girl just eating bananas. I think I can train you to be a great pup. Hmm? Ah! Okay, here we go. You deserve a banana.